Hello everyone and welcome to our Phonics tongue twister in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's dive in. Today we are gonna talk about letter G as in G sound and J sound. Pay attention. Here we have hard G and soft G. Hard G like goat, eagle, frog. Soft G as in J, cage, huge, giraffe, giant, gym. It's time for our tongue twister, so be ready. Let's listen first and we can break it down together.
Gus gives Jim a giant gem.
Again.
Gus gives Jim a giant gem.
So we have Gus gives Jim a giant gem. Faster. Gus gives Jim a giant gem. Gus gives Jim a giant gem. Gus gives Jim a giant gem. Well done. You can test your tongue now. Bye.